Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are here with the most recent release of DJI D-RTK 3 Multifunction Station. So this is a navigation station, like it takes data from the satellite, it corrects itself and feed this data to the drones. It works like that. So it supports various type of modes, like it can support the base station if you are working for the agriculture, or if you are fixing it at a known coordinate point or a GCP. So this device is for you. And also it supports as a rover station, like if you want to mark GCP's reference to some point using the entry network system. Also you can mark the points on your area for surveying and mapping industry. And also it can support as a relay station, like if there is an obstruction between the controller and the drone somewhere in the valley, so you can mount this device and it will work as a bridge between the controller and the drone to transmit the information, like image transmission and video transmission. So it enhances the capability of the drone to reach in the inaccessible areas. So this device is performing very well. It can work up to 10 kilometers of the radius for a base station mode, and also for the rover station I will show you how does it work, and for a relay station. So this device is performing very well. And also I'm using this RC remote controller to change the modes, and also you can change the mode with these buttons. And very important to check the mood of this base station, of this multifunction base. So you can change the modes. Okay guys, so during the assembling of this D-RTK 3 multifunction station, first, if you are fixing it at a known point, first you have to make sure that you are putting this on the known coordinate system, or if you are introducing your own coordinate system, you can also put this tripod on that. And then you have to make sure that this bubble is in the center to make sure the vertical and horizontal positioning is accurate. And also after that you will mount this RTK module, and you can see the grading. You can also change the grading as per your location. It supports up to like 200 centimeter of the height, this one have. And also you can adjust this height with your survey data. You can also accommodate this height of the survey pole from this point. You can also accommodate this with your ground data. So now we have assembled this RTK and tripod on this point. So as you can see, now we will turn this module on and we will change the modes. You can change the mode from this button also, same like as previous for the D-RTK 2. And also you can change the modes with the remote controller of the drone. So let's turn it on. So now it is on. Then we will use the remote controller to change the mode. Okay guys, so with me I have the RC+2. So I will use this and this type C cable with that to change the mood of this D-RTK 3 multifunction station. So let's connect it. Now we will connect this with the RC, this cable. We have already connected to the top module. So as you can see on the screen, it shows device detected. So over here we have 3 modes as already discussed: relay station mode, and base station mode, and rover station mode. So we can change any of the mode from here. So if I want to fix this as a base station, then I will just click OK. Then it will change the mode. Also from the color of this LEDs, you can also see that green color represents the base station and yellow color represents the rover station, and the relay station is represented by the different color. So different modes you can switch. If you want to do with the mattress 4 series relay station, you can also do, but currently this device supports the relay station only for mattress 4 series. This device is currently supports the relay station mode for mattress 4 series. Either this one is the dock version or the solo device like mattress 4E and T series also it can support. And for the base station mode, it is working with all type of the drones like mattress 350 Mavic series and also the mattress 4 series. Yeah, for the Rover station we will talk for this later on. So as you see, we will try it out the base station mode with the mattress 4 TD version, the dock version, as you can see over there. It's connected with the RC also. So now we will go to the enter camera view, and first we will connect this base station with this RC. Yeah, so we will go to the satellite and we will turn on the RTK positioning and positioning accuracy also. So here we see the different modes. First we have the D-RTK3 base station mode and custom network RTK. Yeah, so the first one is the D-RTK3 base station mode, and over there if you see the status, it's not connected, so we will go and we will connect it. Yeah, it's connected already. Okay, so this thing calibration coordinates for the D-RTK. So this thing is necessary because if you are fixing the D-RTK as a base station on a known coordinates, so you have to put your own coordinate system as a reference, you know. So it will work. It will take the data reference to that specific coordinate system which you have on the ground. But if you don't have on the ground a marker or a ground control point as a reference point, so you can use it as it is. You don't need to change the calibration. So if I go to the calibration buttons, calibration view, okay, so here we see the longitude, latitude and elevation of the data. We can also change this data as per our custom point, but currently we don't have the coordinate point, so we will leave it as it is. So if you have your own coordinate system on the side, benchmarks over there on your side, so you can feed this data inside that, and the drone will take this base station will feed this data to the drone reference to that specific point. Yeah, and also the other point we will check is the custom network RTK. Yeah, so this custom network RTK, it also supports the custom network RTK mode. So if you have the course like continuously operating satellite system, if you have this in your region, so you can also use the entry address like port numbers. You can also use the custom coordinate data for your this base station. Yeah, so this type of two modules it can support for a base station. So now we will check the Rover mode. Now we will check the Rover mode, and I will show you how does it. We will connect it out, and let's see. Okay guys, so now we will start the Rover mode. First we need to disassemble this. So first we need to take out the survey pole from this tripod. So we will lose out this screw. Yeah, so now as you see that we have take out this survey pole from the tripod. So for the GCP's marking and for the Rover mode, definitely you will mark the GCP's on the ground. So you will need this survey pole. Yeah, and also it supports different heights. As you can see, the grading up to 200 centimeter it can extend. Okay, and also the one thing you should note for Rover mode, it connects with the DJI Enterprise application, which is supported for the Android devices currently. So the Rover mode representation is the yellow LED. So when it blinks, then you can see that this one is now in Rover mode. So now we will take the Android phone over there we have installed the DJI Enterprise app. So we will open and I will show you how does we connect these two devices with each other for a GCP's marking. Okay, so as we are here on the Enterprise application interface, so as you can see on the screen, now we will press the connect buttons. So currently we will go to the DJI Rover D-RTK 3 Rover station, and we will go to the connect devices. So this connection is through a Bluetooth. Yeah, so let's turn on the Bluetooth. Is searching the device. Now the available device is this one, so now we have to connect it. Yeah, so now as you can see on the screen, this device is connected with the mobile phone. So we will go to the configuration details. Okay, so the one thing you have to make sure for this as a rover station, because currently this device is performing as a solo device for the rover. So you will definitely need some reference data to be fed in a real time. So for that you can either connect it to a third-party base station, or you can also connect it with the Entry through Entry custom network. So now as you can see that we are in the home page. We didn't connect to the network RTK or either of the third-party base station. So any of the network RTK available in your area, you can connect with that also. So over here, as we can see on the screen, it shows the battery of this battery level. Also the RTK status, now it's currently single because it is not connected with the other reference station. Also the satellite you can see. Yeah. You can also manage the coordinate system and also RTK source data. So first for point marking, we will create a task over here. So also we can name the task as you can see on the screen. Coordinate system we can also assign. Yeah, so this task I created. Also coordinate format, this one is following now the geodetic coordinate format. We will start. Yeah, so let's mark the first point. Okay guys, so as you see, you have to make sure while marking the GCP on the ground, you have to make sure that this is straight and this bubble is in the center. If you want to mark some of the inclined places, like if you have to rotate this base station in a different inaccessible sites, so also you can go to the point setting and you can add some type of deviation, like it can also support the deviation of this RTK pole reference to the vertical. Yeah, it can also support this thing. So first over here, as you can see on the screen, this is our point 1, and also you can see the latitude, longitude and the geodetic height, checkpoints, and also convergence count, and also pole height. Yeah, you can also see 1.8. So you have to make sure that the pole height is correct one. Yeah, so this way you can mark the GCPs and your markers on the ground. Yeah, you can add points. After that, when you add as a point 1, the next point will be automatically point 2. So you can work on the ground like that. Yeah. Okay, so during the point marking, you have several options like convergence count. You can set it to like from 1 and so on. And also there is a tilt survey. If you have a tilt places or inaccessible sites on the ground, if you want to mark the GCP over there. So this enterprise app, DJI is giving you the option to turn on this tilt position. So currently it works more than like 30 degrees. You can tilt this rover and mark the point. It will mark the exact point. And also you can change the location. Also you can change the survey pole height as per this extension. You can also change the survey pole height. So once this thing is finished, so you can complete the task, and this task data you can export to your Excel format and CSV format, and you can import your pre-processing software. Okay guys, so as you see that we have tested the base station and the rover modes. Now we have the third mode, the relay station. So relay station from the RC, as I showed you previously, you can change the modes and you can connect this device as a relay station between your drone and your controller. So this will work as a bridge between these two devices to feed the transmission to the drone, and from the drone it will feed the transmission to the controller. Yeah, it works pretty easily. So currently this relay station mode is supported for Mattress 4 series only. Either it is a dock version or it is a solo Mattress 4T or enterprise version. It can work like that. Yeah, this is all for today. So this station is performing very well, up to centimeter level of accuracy it can give you, either if you are working on a construction site or a surveying or mapping site, or if you are working as a monitoring site. You can mark your GCP on the ground with this device, and you can place these devices on that GCP as a base station to feed the data to the drone to work as a rover. Yeah, everything is performing very well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any feedbacks, don't hesitate to reach out to our sales department. Thank you so much.